Welcome to 400 Helmsdale. So we're in the heart of East Kildonan here with a 1,040 square foot bungalow. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Downstairs we've got a fully finished basement with its own entrance. It's got a kitchen, so it could be a whole separate suite which you could rent out. Let's check it out. So this door here can be closed off and you can lock it, and this could be a total separate suite downstairs because you can enter in through this back door as well. So check it out, let's go. I hope I see you at the open house.